Handstand wall walk-ins. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker who fears being upside down in the handstand, here's a progression you can use to build confidence gradually. Handstand wall walk-ins are a progression from the wall-facing 45-degree handstand. You're ready to start training walk-ins once you can hold the 45-degree wall-facing handstand for 45 plus seconds. Here's how it works. Start in a push-up position with your feet touching a solid upright object that you can walk your feet up. Then, keeping the elbows locked, protract the shoulders and round the upper back by pushing down into the floor. Next, set a strong posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by contracting your glutes and tucking your tailbone between your legs. It's crucial to maintain this PPT for the entire set. From here, tuck your chin to your chest and look down at your toes. As you walk up the wall, keep looking at your toes, as this will help you maintain the hollow body shape and the protracted shoulders. Step by step, slowly walk your feet up the wall as far as you can go without moving your hands. This should get you to the 45-degree wall-facing handstand. You will then need to move the hands to move closer to the wall. Start by shifting your hips to one side to place all of the weight into one hand. Actively elevate the shoulder of the hand, bearing your weight by pushing down into the floor. Then, lift the unloaded hand off the floor and step it towards the wall. It's best to take small steps in the beginning. Once you get more confident at the wall walk-ins, you can take bigger steps. After shifting one hand, shift the hips across to the opposite side to transfer all of your weight into the hand closest to the wall. Again, lift the unloaded hand and move it closer to the wall. As the hands move closer to the wall, the steps become heavier and more challenging. The goal is to walk your hands close enough to the wall that you can touch your nose to the wall, but you might not be able to achieve this at the start. Do your best to walk your hands in as close as you feel comfortable. Ensure that you maintain the PPT and do not pike at the hips. Bring your feet together and hold the topmost position of your wall walk-in for 5 to 10 seconds, and then start to walk your hands away from the wall. When you're ready to walk down the wall, part the feet to create more stability. Again, shift the hips to one side before lifting the unloaded hand off the floor and stepping forward. Continue in this fashion until you reach the 45-degree handstand angle. From this point, you can keep your hands in place as you walk your feet down the wall. That's one rep. Handstand wall walk-ins are a great way to build confidence and shoulder strength in the handstand. Continue to train them until you feel comfortable walking in to a point where you can touch your nose to the wall. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.